Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation PM, which stands for place marker. Place marker can be used for, let's say there's a panel in your work that uses a particular stitch or combination stitches or colors or what have you, or in a round. Let's say you're working a single crochet round. It's very hard to see the first stitch in a single crochet round because it's so short. So in the first stitch you would place a marker to indicate the beginning of that round. Or in an instance like this where I want to put a stitch on hold while I work a different section. So let's say I'm gonna work this pink section here. I will take the stitch marker off, start working in the pattern. I'm not gonna do it the whole thing right now, but once I would get here, obviously I can't carry on. So I would go ahead, take my stitch marker, take the hook out, place this on the stitch marker, and start working on a different color and carry on in that fashion, just so the work doesn't unravel. There's a multitude of reasons to place a stitch marker. I just provided a few samples of why one would do so. And your pattern will indicate when you need to put a stitch marker, or if you feel yourself it is best for you to mark a spot, then you'd put a stitch marker. So there you go. That's your abbreviation PM, which stands for place marker.